How to make group tabs in Opera GX. First things first is to pull up your Opera GX browser. And before we start, I just wanted to let you know that this specific feature doesn't work like Google Chrome groupings. So we have to manually enable it. To do it, go to Settings on the gear icon and then search for Workspace. There you have it. All you just have to do is to enable it first and it will automatically pop up on the left side of your screen. So let's close this here. So as what you can see, I have tried and I have created tabs for the sample video. So let's group these tabs from test 1 up until test 5 and then divided by mark 1 up until mark 5. So first thing you want to do is go to the workspace icon, right click, and then manage workspaces. So from here, this is where you can add more spaces and customize your groupings. So since we're dividing two groups, let's add more. You can also change the icon and you can change the name. So let's name it as workspace 1 since we already have workspace 2. Click create right here. So let's go ahead and group test 1 until test 5. To click this all at once, all you have to do is um, press the control key or the command key on your keyboard, press and hold, and click on those tabs you want to group, 4 and 5. Then after that, right click, hover your mouse to move tabs to workspace and add it to workspace 1. There. So we already have tabs for workspace 1, which is right here. And this is also the tabs for workspace 2. So that is how you make a group tabs using Opera GX.